What's up YouTube? My name is Kenny J, back at it again with another insurance video. This video, I'm gonna be dropping some gems, like some low-key gems, so keep it on the low. But this is KennyJTV. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I did start a professional Instagram page for my insurance career. I will drop the name right here. And I'm really excited about it. I wanted to separate my personal Instagram from my professional Instagram. So when I'm, meeting new clients, meeting new consumers, I want to be like, hey, follow my page and it's strictly insurance. So if you guys could please follow and like the post, I really would appreciate it. As you can tell by the title, these are some life hacks to insurance. I feel like there are things in insurance that can help you with paying your premium, with getting the maximum payout if need be, but a lot of times the average Joe doesn't know. They're wrong, the average Joe doesn't know. But seriously, the average person does not know, so I'm here to just drop some gems. I wish somebody would have told me this like 3 years ago. I'll kind of go into that a little bit in the video, but sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The first life hack that I want to drop to you guys is there's a thing called an insurance score. A lot of people don't know it's very similar to a credit score, but in the insurance world. Now, things that affect the insurance score are you not paying your bill on time, you switching companies, and you filing claims. So let's say you switch a company every 3 months. You're looking for that price. You're going from Geico to Allstate to Progressive to Nationwide to State Farm and National General. Like every 3 months you're switching. We see that. When we pull the consumer report, we see that you're constantly switching, and that does affect your score. That could cause your premium to be way higher than if you're with Nationwide for 15, 20 years. So make sure that when you are switching a company, it's for a good reason, not just for $3 cheaper here, $5 cheaper there. Another thing that's on the insurance score is filing a claim. I will go into that a little deeper a little later on in the video, but just know that filing a claim is also in that insurance score. So if you file multiple claims, like 4 or 5 claims, again, we see that, and that does cause your premium to be higher, as well as some companies may only cover you with liability only on your vehicle if your insurance score is really low. Something that I hold near and dear to my heart is life insurance. I'm gonna definitely post some videos on the importance of life insurance just by themselves, but usually when I bring up life insurance, it's very brief, and it's, with all the other insurances that I'm talking about. So another life hack is when you get life insurance, the best time to get it on yourself or like your child is when they are young. So I'm 23 now. If I get life insurance, it's gonna be a whole lot cheaper than it would be if I get it at 40, 45, 50. It's 2 reasons that I say that you should get it when you are younger. The first reason is most people at a younger age don't have underlying health conditions that would cause the premium to be higher or that would cause you to not be insurable. When your child, let's say you have a child and they're literally a year old, they don't have any type of underlying health conditions, go ahead and get them a policy. It could be anywhere from $15 to $20 a month, and your child is covered forever, as well as they're getting that cash buildup, the dividends, all that good stuff in a life insurance policy. I feel that a life insurance policy is definitely one of the best investments that you can make in life. So don't wait till you're 50 or 60 years old, because it's gonna be crazy high to get a life insurance policy. So always remember to get it young. Inform your family and your friends that, hey, even if it's not through me or your friends, just know that you need a life insurance policy. Another gem, another life hack that I hold near and dear to my heart, because I learned this the hard way, is whenever you're moving into an apartment or you're moving into a house that you're renting and you're going through an association or something, never go through the complex or the association to get the renter's insurance. So quick backstory, me and my line brother live together. We both have policies with the company I'm with now. But before that, we went through the apartment complex. I mean, it's simple. You're already signing all these papers. You don't want to go out and hunt for insurance. You're just like, you know what? This is convenient. I'm going to get it. Here's the downfall. So the insurance that we were paying together for one policy was $21.43 a month. So I was like, I mean, I guess is reasonable. If you don't know, you don't know. When I started to get into insurance and I started learning, you know, the importance of it and the value of insurance, I said, you know what, let me work up a quote for myself and see how much this is. I wrote both of us up a policy, so basically we get double the coverage for half the price. So we're paying, I have my own policy and he has his own policy, and we're literally paying $6 a piece for this insurance. A lot of times the apartment complex will charge you a whole lot higher premium because they can. They know you're not gonna look for no insurance. They know that you're just ready to get it over with. So they go through these higher companies that charge a higher premium. So always think about that whenever you're moving into an apartment. Don't always go through the apartment complex because you're gonna get a higher premium than what you really need. I know you hear people saying whenever they go out to eat or they're at like a retail store, do you guys have a military discount? There's something very similar to that kind of discount in a sense for the insurance. So whenever you're getting your homeowner's insurance, your auto insurance, even your life insurance, always ask, is there a multi-line discount? So the company that I'm with now, if you have your homeowners and your auto insurance with us, you bundle it together, on your home insurance, you get 40% off of that premium. So essentially, the discount that you get from the home insurance pays for the auto insurance. And a lot of times the companies do encourage you to bundle them together for that lower rate, as well as why would you want your life insurance over here? Why would you want your homeowner's insurance over here, your auto insurance over there, and your health insurance somewhere completely different? It's so much easier to have one agent to handle all of your insurance needs. Filing a claim with your insurance. It's something that nobody ever wants to do, but that is why you have insurance at the end of the day. If you need it, it's there. So a lot of times, like I said before, your insurance score is affected by one of the categories is filing a claim. So let's say you do file a claim with your insurance, and let's just use auto insurance for example. It does stay on that consumer report for 3 years, which will affect your premium. So let's say Bob gets in a little fender bender and his damages equal $600. You call your agent, be like, hey, I need to file a claim. It's $600 damage, but my deductible is $500. Essentially, the insurance company is only paying out $100. Now you look at me and say, is that worth it? Is it worth it to put out $100 from the insurance and your premium to be higher for 3 years? Is it really worth it? I didn't think so. So always assess the situation and always know that your agent cannot legally tell you to not file a claim. Like we just can't do that. But you always want to assess the situation, have a list, be like, this is how much it costs, this is how much my insurance is, and just see, is it even worth it? Because a lot of times it's not. But I mean, if it's something like a total loss or $20,000 in damages, you definitely want to file a claim with your insurance. But always think before you file a claim, is it really going to be worth it for my premiums? Am I going to be paying out more money than I would if I just handled it myself? So those are a few of the life hacks that I have learned in insurance. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Always subscribe and hit that bell for my latest notifications. Again, my name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV.